Vashtenaho, I am Grandfather Eagle Soaring Overhead, and I bring you a little bit of energy to go along with this beautiful eagle-eye view of Tilikum and the waters and the energies. So as you're looking at these waves coming in, think about the tides. Whether you know it or think about it in your daily life, these tides do affect you. Just bringing in, look at those ripples. Look at those really beautiful little white edges to those ripples. And then look at what they leave here on the sand patterns. This is like one of the more important spiritual energies that I like to share with people, and that is about creating intention. Patterns in your life either are automatic and you're not in charge of your life, or you're setting intention and you're creating the patterns yourself instead of letting them happen from what is already a part of you. From this eagle's view, this metal eagle, you can see the beauty of this beach and this energy. You can see what the eagle would see if the eagle was taking this flight. I want you to think more about intention. Look at this water and the reflection, and remember, reflections are every day in your life. They are the reflection you see in the water like this of nature. They are reflections of your own image. I ask you, so many of you are so harsh to judge yourself when you see your reflection. Remember, no one else will see what you see because your vision is covered and colored by your feelings about yourself. If you do not find yourself a completely superior being, chances are you're pretty hard on yourself. As you look at these reflections, remember, the eagle will see these as it flies over. But you have to have the right angle to be able to see a reflection in nature. And why is that? Because you have to move your energies, move yourself to where you can perceive that reflection. There are many things and many different beliefs that talk about as above, so below, or as below, so above. And that's true because whether you're seeing it from the ground or whether you're seeing it from the air like an eagle, it is the same energies, but the perception from the different levels can be quite different. Again, setting intention. Look at all this beautiful green light. What is your intention? Are you going to draw that energy in? As you look at these videos that my grandson shoots with his metal eagle, will you begin to see what I'm asking you to see? The power, the energy of the eagle's vision. As the eagle, this little metal eagle, has now turned back toward the sun, you see a really bright sun. And if you think about it, many days you do not actually allow yourself to just be out in the bright sunshine. But it brings to you a reminder, whether you think of it as creator energy that comes from solar energies, which of course it is creating waves, it is creating solar flares, it's creating all sorts of things, that glorious solar energy we call the sun. But as you look at these energies, I want you to think about the sun within you, the brightness within you, the light within you. Again, setting intentions is tremendously important for creating the life you want to live and not just repeating the pattern that you know from yesterday. You never have to live the same day twice because you can create your choices. Just like these reflections, getting the right perspective on things, being able to change your focus, being able to change the angle from which you're looking at something. You see, as you get closer to the edge of the water and the little coastline there, all that reflection disappears. This is why it's important. Your perception, the way you look at things, the angle from which you look at things, and always looking with clear intention of what you desire to manifest. The universe has unlimited energy, and you can tap that and you can use that to create your energy. And as this beautiful little metal eagle flies under this bridge and sees the reflection of the light, the reflection of the bridge itself, let yourself set intention with this beautiful light in Tilikum, and allow the native energies that name represents to be a part of you, because you are a part of everything, just as the sun, water, and sand are a part of the world. So also are you a part of the world. Whether you're looking at it with this eagle-eye vision, or whether you're standing in the sand, wriggling your toes, you are part of all of this. Celebrate. Be at one with it. And we are back to our patterns in the sand. Remember your intentions. Dana.